Today, a judge says a Texas hospital can require its staff to get vaccinated. Over 100 workers didn't want to choose between their jobs and getting vaccinated. We'll look at the debate happening across the country. And do you think working remotely is more efficient or less efficient? Well, a new study has some interesting conclusions. We talked to some people working from home. And Bitcoin hits a 2-week high today after Elon Musk says Tesla may accept it as payment again in the future. That and much more coming up on NTD Business. Good evening. Great to have you with us. I'm Paul Graney, reporting live from New York City. American vaccine maker Novavax says its vaccine is over 90% effective against the CCP virus and its variants. That's what the results of its phase 3 trial show. The results also show 100% protection against moderate to severe illness. Novavax says the vaccine is being developed primarily for middle to low-income countries. According to one data firm, not even 1% of people in the developing world have had one shot. LA Times reports Novavax has been developing vaccines for over 30 years, but has never brought one to market. And earlier this month, we spoke with a nurse suing her hospital for forcing staff to get vaccinated. A judge sided with the hospital over the weekend and dismissed the case. But the challenge of managing different viewpoints remains for businesses and workers across the country. NTD's Colin Fredrickson takes a look.
A Texas judge dismisses a lawsuit filed by over 100 hospital employees, which tried to stop Houston Methodist Hospital from forcing them to get vaccinated. Judge Lynn Hughes, in a 5-page ruling, said Texas law only protects employees from being terminated for refusing to commit an act carrying criminal penalties. An employment attorney generally agrees with the decision.
Employees, as the judge said in this decision, are going to be employees at will. They could be fired for any reason or no reason at all.
Lead plaintiff Jennifer Bridges, a nurse who has since been suspended, told CNN she will appeal. She's raised over $140,000 on GoFundMe, which she will use to continue legal action.
No, we pretty much expected at this level that it would be dismissed and the judge would rule against us. But it's really only the beginning. We are going to be appealing this and taking this up. And ultimately, I very well feel this case is going to go up to the Supreme Court.
Jared Woodfill, lawyer for the plaintiffs, said it is shocking that many of his clients were on the front line treating COVID-positive patients at Texas Methodist Hospital, and to thank them, the hospital awards them a pink slip and sentences them to bankruptcy. One healthcare lawyer says he thinks we're going to see strict vaccine policies in hospitals and schools, but not so much in the broader workforce. We may not know for years what the vaccine policies will be.
And I'm talking to a lot of employers out there who are really trying to figure out how to hold the workforce together with a lot of really different views. I think we're going to see the numbers of people who refuse to get vaccinated are likely to come down, but you're going to see a hardcore anti-vax community stay out there.
Employers have to deal with people who don't want to get vaccinated and people who don't want to be around those who are unvaccinated, all while trying not to lose talent. Colin Fredrickson, NTD News.
And a California mayor is accused